Why is crypto down today? June 25, 2025. Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency. Market. While some are fixated on short-term corrections, it is undeniable that Bitcoin, and particularly Bitcoin DeFi, is ultimately on the rise, said Dom Harz, co-founder of Layer 2 BOB. Journalist. Fadilpašić. Journalist. Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 4 hours ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. After a day of significant increases, the crypto market is down today. The majority of the top 100 coins have dropped over the past 24 hours. Moreover, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has fallen by 1.6% in that period to $3.4 trillion. The total crypto trading volume is at $99.8 billion. TLDR. The crypto market makes a turn back into red. Most top 100 coins saw price drops. BTC and ETH appreciated less than 1% each, trading at $106,413 and $2,443 respectively. Markets reacted to de-escalation in the Middle East, with higher-risk assets benefiting. Some are focused on short-term corrections, but Bitcoin is ultimately on the rise. The market remains cautious. Geopolitical risks persists, as does the risk of investors turning away from risk assets. Crypto winners and losers. 6 of the top 10 coins per market cap are up, but with low increases of less than 1% per coin. Bitcoin, BTC, appreciated by 0.7%, now trading at $106,413. This is up from $101,924 seen 2 days ago. Furthermore, Ethereum, ETH, appreciated by 0.8%, changing hands at $2,443. It's one of the category's best performers again today. Lido staked Ether, Steth, and Tron, TRX, also recorded a 0.8% rise each. XRP recorded the highest decrease in this category of 0.7% to the price of $2.18. Moreover, the majority of the top 100 coins saw their prices drop over the past day. The highest decrease among these is Virtual's Protocol, Virtual, 8.5% to $1.56. On the other hand, Pi Network, PI, appreciated the most today, 13.4% to $0.5998. This is the only double-digit change in this category. Aptos APT follows with a 9% rise to $4.83. Notably, the market has cooled off following several positive news seen yesterday. The prices saw a swift uptick yesterday after Japan's Financial Services Agency proposed to reclassify digital assets under the Financial Instruments and Exchange Act, which could cut crypto taxes from 55% to 20% and increase chances for spot ETFs. Moreover, recent macroeconomic changes and lower geopolitical risks, specifically the announced ceasefire between Israel and Iran, boosted the crypto market, with investors turning their attention to risk assets again. The fragile agreement seems to be holding for now, though the information coming from Israel, the US, and Iran is not exactly clear. At the same time, Israel has continued the genocide in Gaza. The developments in the region can shift quickly and affect the markets across the board equally as fast. Bitcoin is undeniably on the rise. Dom Harz, co-founder of Layer 2 BOB, said that BTC's recent price dip below $100,000 shows how geopolitical uncertainty triggers a risk-off sentiment. That said, the dip is not a long-term concern and is merely a distraction from Bitcoin's true trajectory, Harz says. While some are fixated on short-term corrections, it is undeniable that Bitcoin, and particularly Bitcoin DeFi, is ultimately on the rise. It's certain that Bitcoin is actively maturing and entering a phase defined by institutional adoption, clearer regulation, and rapid technological progress, he says. This is because Bitcoin's utility, says Harz. Institutions don't just want to hold Bitcoin, but put it to work too. Moreover, Gotti Chait, head of investment at Xapo Bank, argued that Bitcoin's safe haven asset status is still taking shape. However, recent signals suggest it's edging closer. Traditionally seen as volatile, Bitcoin's response to recent macro shocks, like the events in the Middle East, has been notably restrained, neither tracking gold perfectly nor mirroring equity sell-offs, says Chait. Geopolitical shocks often trigger an initial flight to cash, but Chait says that the combination of institutional rallies and macro-driven bids now means that dips are shallower and recoveries faster than in previous cycles. In recent market downturns, Bitcoin's relatively shallow pullbacks, which have been paired with consistent institutional inflows, point to a shift in perception. Its increasing correlation with gold suggests it's being viewed as a store of value, while on the other hand, its rapid rebounds reflect its growing integration into mainstream finance, Chait concludes. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing, BTC trades at $106,413. Over the last day, the price gradually increased from the daily low of $104,854 to the intraday high of $106,691. The coin has surpassed the $106,000 level. Investors now wait to see if it will break the $107,500 level next, or possibly drop below $104,000. These moves would open doors for further price rises or drops. At the same time, Ethereum is currently trading at $2,443. It jumped to the intraday high of $2,473 before decreasing to $2,428 overnight UTC. Meanwhile, the crypto market sentiment remained in neutral territory after exiting the fear zone yesterday. The Fear and Greed Index has increased from 47 yesterday to 48 today. The chart below shows the sentiment gradually decreasing over the past 30 days. The current value suggests certain uneasiness and caution in the market, though investors are not panicking. Furthermore, on June 24th, when the market saw a significant uptick, US BTC spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, recorded notable $588.55 million in inflows. BlackRock is at the top of the list, recording $436.32 million in inflows. Moreover, US ETH ETFs recorded inflows of $71.24 million. BlackRock took in $97.98 million, while Fidelity lost $26.74 million. Meanwhile, Japanese investment firm Metaplanet raised more than $517 million on the first day of its $555 million plan. The company plans to acquire 210,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2027, roughly 1% of the total supply. Also, entrepreneur Anthony Pompliano's ProCap BTC announced that it had acquired 3,724 BTC for $386 million. This comes just days after revealing plans to go public later this year. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move against stocks today? The crypto market saw a shift to red developing since last night, while the stock market saw increases on Tuesday. The S&P 500 went up by 1.11%, the Nasdaq 100 increased by 1.53%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 1.19%. The stock market reacted directly to a ceasefire agreement between Israel and Iran. Is this dip sustainable? The market shows caution. There is no panic to speak of yet, and analysts are bullish in the long term, but the unstable global situation can still pull the prices lower. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? Solaxi, Solex. Price set to heat up as Solana Layer 2 lists on DEX's major exchanges to follow Bitcoin price prediction. BTC jumps past $105,000 as Israel-Iran ceasefire sparks risk on surge. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Iran attacks deepen month-long slide. Is a $2 test inevitable? 3 days ago. By Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Bitcoin price soars 2.49% on thrilling news from Japan, Trump, and USDB $109K breakout on the horizon. 19 hours ago. By Arslan Butt. Altcoin news. XRP ETF approval odds jump to 95%. Spot rally incoming? 2 days ago. By Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 39 minutes ago. By Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025, top new cryptocurrencies. 1 day ago. By NSS, Tavares. 12 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025, pre-sale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovic. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovic. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovic. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 8 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. April 11, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.